Hi, I'm Chris Go. I'm with City Club. I'm currently the vice president for our club. As you know, we're organizing this family day activity. With me right now is my team, the Cougar team. All composed of collections officers. We will be competing with 7 other teams.
Sobrang taas na expectation ko sa Cougars team kasi in the first place, first time ko silang nakatrabaho. Then, nakakatuwa kasi nabuo yung sayaw namin kahit galing kami sa iba't ibang genre ng dance.
Actually, at first kinakabahan talaga ako pero yung team spirit nandun, so okay naman siya. Ang dami ng sacrifices na nangyari at saka sobrang dami nangyari na akala ko hindi namin kakayanin pero eto pa rin kami. Diba? Strong, diba?
Nadaanan namin lahat, everything, nagpalit na kami ng choreo, paiba-iba na kami ng step. Pero ito, nandito na kami ngayon, this is it, this is our time. Ready naman kami, hindi kami masyadong kinakabahan dahil alam namin, kaya namin with the help of God. Thank you.
Finally, nandito na kami. Lahat kami, kabado, pressure, pero kaya natin to, bro. Go Cougars, go! Woo!
Ayun, masabi ko lang dito sa cheering, medyo masaya yung experience namin dito, and kung nandito lang kayo, fun, enjoyment, then meaningful relationship with them. Siyempre, nice show.
I'm so proud to be part of this team kasi nakita ko talaga lahat ng effort, nag-exert ang bawat isa sa amin, lahat ng ideas, and nakita ko talaga yung devotion tsaka yung dedication to win the team, to represent the collections department. And at least to the last minute, we have proved everyone na kaya namin.
We started last week of June. We had struggles on the first and second week of July. However, we maintained the closeness of each other. Thus, we were able to achieve our goal, to be able to meet and actually to exceed the expectations of our bosses.
Binibase kasi namin to sa napagdaanan na namin. So, most probably, may bibigay namin yung 100% na performance namin later. And hopefully, we are praying actually na we could reap success and of course, end up victoriously.
One of our best participants within the Cougars team is Jenny Galios. She's one of those participants who made it #1 during our 2007 event, our Christmas party. It was a street dance competition where we bagged the #1 slot. Jenny was one of our best dancers for that group, the CRO Groovers.
Si Ate Jen as a dancer, sa pagkakakilala ko sa kanya, napaka-professional niya. Ginagawa niya lahat, yung execution, yung disiplina sa sarili na andon. Then si Ate Jen, isa siyang magaling na dancer. Nakikita ko yung potential at the same time, syempre may star quality. Then, ang masasabi ko lang kay Ate Jen, diretso lang. Stay good, napaka-friendly mong tao. Kasi before parang asupla-suplada, pero nung nakatrabaho kita, ang galing mo pala, ang galing mo makasama sa tao. Yun lang, ingat palagi. God bless.
Jen is actually one of the leaders here in the team. Siya yung isa sa mga nagli-lead in terms of the steps, okay? Lalo na sa facial expression. Siya yung unang-unang gusto ko, yung face niya, pag nagsasmile siya. And hindi siya maarte, in short. Kahit na anong paggawa mo sa kanya, okay lang. And I'm very happy and very proud to be able to work with you, Jen. So thank you very much for the support. And sa uulitin. Thank you.
You know how proud I am whenever you dance? How I wish I could dance gracefully like you do. But then, I've been asking you to teach me, di ba? Meron pa tayong pinaplanong dance session. So, hopefully, after a few months, magagawa na natin yan. I'm sure you will be back sa dancing soon.
Okay, Jen, good luck. Alam ko you love dancing. I wish you the best. Alam mo na, magaling ka dyan. Tapos sexy ka pa. Go, go, go. Sana hindi to last na dancing mo for the year. Sana magkaroon pa ng competition. Good luck.
For Jen naman, as a dancer muna, no? Isa siya sa mga masasabi kong mga professional din siya in terms of mga ganitong pagkakataon. Kasi binibigay din niya yung talagang total performance niya, not only during the competition but sa mga practices. Kumbaga, nag-e-effort siya, kinakaya niya kung ano may pinapagawa ng mga choreographer or kung ano yung ina-expect ng team na gagampanan niya para sa performance na yun. And of course, as a friend, syempre sobrang naging close kami dahil sa dance na to, dahil parehas kami ng passion, dancing and modeling at the same time, no? So, most probably doon na kami nagkaroon ng magandang relationship as a friend.
So kay Jen naman, matagal ko nakikita si Jen na sumasayaw. So, okay naman. At saka ang ganda niya, lamang lang siya ng ilang paligo sa akin. So, yun lang.
Si Ma'am Jen, isa siya sa mga magaganda dun sa RMs na kapag pumunta ka sa pantry, matatanaw mo siya. Isa rin siya dun sa mga parang ang daming gustong makipagkilala, pero syempre, bawal na yun kasi alam mo na, kasi nag-take ng video is yung taong mahal niya. So, good luck Ma'am Jen, and ito na sana performance level. I really like the Evanescence na yung ballroom chuba-chuba.